Okay, now this car with the performance and horsepower and torque doesn't really increase that much. You get a good amount of best top speed and handling, which I don't think you're gonna find it that fast, really. This car is more of actually a disappointment to me now. I mean, now there's some things I'm actually surprised about this car. I mean, one, I never. Oh wait, I think now it works. There you go. Now when you hit the gas, tires spin a little bit. Power still feels like the same, but it's not really improved that much. This car is okay on power. Really good on handling though. But see, if it's good on acceleration, it probably would be bad on handling. And which, you know, car makers in real life, I mean, this is a real life car. I mean, all these cars are real life cars. Don't get me wrong. But, what I was gonna say, I forgot. I should check this uphill. Yeah, you'll know a car is a good racing car if and only if, yeah, going uphill you might want to be at second or third gear, depending. Or downhill just maybe third or fourth gear. So maybe at one point you might have to change to fourth gear and then go back to third. Sorry guys, my neck is kind of getting a little bit tired on making videos. Probably because I'm not using the camera the right way. And I'm having to kind of like bend my neck up in order to make these videos. Alright, 0 to 60. That's probably about 5 seconds. Three seconds. Probably about 2 or 6. Let me do that one. About 2 seconds. Yeah, lacks on power. In order for a car to be a real race car, I was saying earlier. Sorry, my mind just went blank back there. I don't know. Like whenever I was staying quiet and trying to think about what I wanted to say. There you go. We're at 160. You know, a car is going to be a good race car if it has the same amount of speed, acceleration, and handling. Then you know it's a good racing car. Now, it will give you, you know, when you have good handling, you might lose a little bit of speed, and then you have like a lot of power for the car to pick it back up, which is good for the car. And what really disappoints me about this car, it's pretty much like the only car you really can't get to its top speed. It says 170, and you have to struggle your car to get there. With other cars, I mean, with stock performance, he'll just with stock performance, he might just be able to get there as soon as possible. But that's not the way it works for this car. So the average top speed is around 100, I don't know, 70. I'm at 169. That's the fastest I've gone yet. We're at the red line though. There you go, there's 170. So pretty much average top speed is probably around 169. It's an okay car. I mean, not proud of the acceleration really, but maybe just a fun car just to be test driving, doing whatever you want. Maybe just customizing it a little bit for my ride. And that's it for this car, and I'll see you on the next car. Okay. And I'm in a pursuit chase. Later.